In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable spell check on Notion 2025. Whether you prefer writing without interruptions or just want to have full control over your text, turning off spell check in Notion can enhance your focus and creativity. Let's dive into the process together, step by step. First, make sure you're logged into Notion and connected to your workspace, where you manage your wikis, docs, and projects. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Notion website and click on Log In. Enter your credentials and navigate to the Notion home screen. This home space is essentially your dashboard, allowing you to access all your pages quickly. Once you're at the Notion home, you'll need to select a page where you might frequently edit text. Hover over and click on the page title so that it opens up, displaying the content you're working with. This is important because you'll need access to the text within a page to make changes to the spell check settings. Next, navigate to a piece of text within this page. It can be any text block, so just select a portion of text that you have. After selecting the text, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with various editing options available for that specific text block. The goal is to find the spell check option in this menu. Within the menu, look for spell check. Clicking on this option will toggle the spell check feature on or off. If the spell check is already enabled, selecting it will disable the feature, allowing you to write without red squiggly lines underlining your text. This simple adjustment will give you the freedom to write in your preferred style without interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the spell check for your current session. Remember, if you ever wish to re-enable spell check, you can follow the same process to toggle it back on. I hope you found this guide helpful in customizing your Notion workspace to suit your individual needs. By now, you should be able to navigate through Notion with ease and adjust your settings to make your writing experience as smooth as possible. Thank you for joining me today, and happy creating! If you enjoyed this tutorial or have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.